With quality in mind, this 2016 Toyota Tundra SR5 is the perfect addition to take home. You can finally stop searching. You found the one you've been looking for. This is a 24/7 workhorse that gets the job done, and after a long day of work, it's still ready to have some fun. Special features include the SR5 upgrade package, backup camera, navigation, electronic stability control, a 5.7-liter V8 engine, and much more. Come check this one out today.
Our prices will get you feeling good. Lone Star Toyota of Lewisville, online and off I-35.